Om Namak Shivaya. This is nothing but Kala Chakra. This is used for calculating the Earth's age. There are actually 4 yugas: Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga, and Kali Yuga. And we have also calculated the years of all these 4 yugas. And in Satya Yuga, we have 17,28,000 years. In Treta Yuga, we have 12,96,000 years. In Dwapar Yuga, we have 8,64,000 years. In Kali Yuga, we have 4,32,000 years. If you want to calculate these years of these 3 yugas, by Kali Yuga is nothing but 2 Kali Yugas form Dwapar Yuga, 3 Kali Yugas form Treta Yuga, 4 Kali Yugas form Satya Yuga. These 4 yugas form one Mahayuga. That's nothing but Chatur Yuga. 71 Mahayuga is 1 Manvantram. These all are Sanskrit terms. 14 Manvantram is 1 Kalpa. 1 Kalpa is nothing but just 1 day for Brahma. If you want to know the lifespan of Brahma, it's nothing but 100 celestial years. And hence the current age of Earth is nothing but 155.5 trillion years. The age of Brahma, the total age of Brahma is nothing but 311.04 trillion years of Earth's age. And this part will be explained by Madhav.
And here in the middle we have a central disk. And here in the middle we have a central disk. It's nothing but the representation of 12 Rashis. There are 12 Rashis and we have represented with the respective zodiac signs. How the 12 Rashis are calculated is, in a year we have 12 months. So each month there is a deviation of 30 degrees from the position of the sun by itself. So based on the position of full moon and new moon, the 12 Rashis are calculated. All these are not just mere approximations, and the calculations that my friend Anchana has told is not just a mere thing that has come out of nowhere. Everything we have a proof from Mahabharata. It says, Chatvaryahuhu sahasrani varshanantu kritam yugam tasya tavachati sandhya sandhyayamsha tathavinaha itareshu sasandhyeshu sasandhyamsyeshu chatrishu ekapalena vartante sahasrani shatani cha. The 4 slokas tell that if you are able to divide the morning twilight and the evening twilight into 100 equal divisions of time, they turn out to be the same. And this topic, especially among various topics in Indian history, this topic of Kala Chakra has been a major topic that has been taken by PhD students from all over the world, especially from the European organizations, American organizations like NASA, and they are astounded at the sound knowledge and ability of us Indians to prove all these things long back, even 20,000 years before the birth of Christ. NASA in its recent paper has published that and estimated the age of Earth to be 4.13 billion years old. But the thing is that NASA was able to calculate the number of years and estimated the age of Earth only based on the number of years completed in the Kali Yuga, because NASA is there only in Kali Yuga, not in the other 3 yugas. But it is only our Vedas that is capable of giving all the intricate details and other intricacies of seconds, years completed, months and days for all the 3 yugas. And it is only our Vedas that is able to even predict the number of years and months that is present and that is left in Kali Yuga. So this, in the age where foreigners are looked upon by other people, in the age where Indians are looked down and they are not respected, I feel privileged to explain these small Vedic things that has contributed by Indians to the world. Thank you.